Hello, welcome to Fogwing Learning Center. Today, we will be discussing about what is MRO. Let's jump right into it. MRO stands for Maintenance, Repair, and Operations. It encompasses the activities and processes involved in maintaining and repairing equipment and facilities, as well as managing the operations that support these tasks. MRO is essential for businesses to ensure that their equipment and facilities are functioning efficiently, safely, and reliably. The components of MRO. Maintenance. Maintenance involves routine activities designed to keep equipment and facilities in optimal working condition. These activities include routine inspections, regularly checking equipment and systems to ensure they are operating correctly and identifying any potential issues before they escalate. Preventive maintenance, scheduled maintenance tasks aimed at preventing equipment failures. This can include tasks like oil changes, lubrication, and calibration. Corrective maintenance, repairs that are performed after equipment has failed or malfunctioned. This type of maintenance focuses on restoring equipment to its normal operating condition. Repair. Repair involves fixing or replacing parts of equipment and facilities that have failed or are not functioning as intended. Repair activities can vary from minor fixes, such as replacing a worn-out component, to major overhauls that require significant time and resources. Effective repair strategies ensure minimal downtime and efficient restoration of operations. Operations. Operations refer to the day-to-day activities that support maintenance and repair functions. Key operational activities include inventory management, keeping track of spare parts and materials needed for maintenance and repair tasks, ensuring that necessary items are always available. Logistics, coordinating the delivery, storage, and handling of parts and equipment. Efficient logistics are crucial for timely repairs and maintenance activities. Documentation, maintaining detailed records of all maintenance and repair activities. Documentation includes information on what was done, when it was done, and who performed the work. This helps in tracking the history of equipment and planning future maintenance activities. Importance of MRO. MRO is crucial for several reasons. Increased equipment lifespan. Regular maintenance and timely repairs can significantly extend the lifespan of equipment. By addressing issues early and maintaining equipment properly, businesses can delay the need for expensive replacements. Operational efficiency. Well-maintained equipment operates more efficiently, leading to better productivity and lower operating costs. Efficient equipment minimizes downtime and maximizes the output of business operations. Safety. Proper maintenance and repair activities ensure that equipment and facilities are safe for employees and comply with regulatory standards. This reduces the risk of accidents and injuries in the workplace, creating a safer environment for everyone. Cost savings. Investing in preventive maintenance and efficient repair operations can help prevent costly breakdowns and unplanned downtime. By minimizing unexpected failures, businesses can avoid the high costs associated with emergency repairs and lost productivity. Compliance. Regular maintenance and documentation help ensure that businesses comply with industry regulations and standards. Compliance not only avoids legal issues but also enhances the company's reputation for reliability and safety. Enhanced performance. Maintained and properly repaired equipment performs better, delivering consistent quality and efficiency. This enhanced performance can lead to higher customer satisfaction and competitive advantage in the market. We hope this information has been useful. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content. For more details, visit our website, fogwing.io. We look forward to seeing you in the next video. Until then, take care.